Hi guys, so while reviewing the elegant chair back cover that I sewed a year or so ago, I thought that when I looked at it, I thought, you know what, it'd be better with a video. So here is a video to go with it. I'm going to add to the blog post. It's not identical. The fabric's just some inexpensive muslin I had around, but it's cut 20 inches wide, which is the same. And I've done a 1-inch rolled seam on the edge, okay? So the first thing what I want you to do is you're going to fold it in half. When I say fold it in half, I mean fold it in half lengthways this way, okay? And that's the easiest way I know of to find center. See? Right here is center. So then you're going to put the center here, okay? So now you got center, and we're going to fold the two corners up like this. See? Now in the blog post, now I'm going to go ahead, and in the blog post what you do is you'd open this up and you would put some thread in here to hang your ornament if you wanted to put one. Okay, you'd put it in here, and then you would put it back up, you'd pin it in place, you'd put it back up, and you'd make two seams. Now the two seams I'm going to make, and I'll bring it right back, is I'm going to do a narrow seam along here and a narrow seam along this side. Okay, be right back. Okay, so now I've gotten this seam sewn and this seam sewn on our point, and these ones are hemmed, right? So they're there. But now we've got to hold this in place, this here part in place. So what you do for that is you're going to turn this side over like here. Typically you should iron that, and then you're going to turn this one over here like this here. You're going to iron that. Then you're going to flip them over like this, and you're going to sew this seam here together right along here. You're going to sew this here seam together like this, and then you'll flip it back right side out again, and your point will be finished. I'll be back after I sew this edge along here. So now we have, here's the two seams that I sewed those two pieces together here, right? So now on your point, you have these two seams here. When you turn it inside out, it's neat and tidy. This here's a finished seam, just a zigzag or along the edge to hold the strings in. I'm going to take it, flip it over, and we're going to sew it, flip it over this way. And now we're going to sew it here. Okay? Now we're just going to take and flip it so you got the good side up, okay, with the point at the bottom. You'll take the top and you're going to fold and line it up where this edge is here, okay? And you're just going to sew here and here, all straight lines, and then you fold it open. Okay, I'll be right back. So now we have the point, and I took these two edges here, folded it over and sewed it. This will go along the sides of your chair. This here spot is the width of your chair. And now we'll just take this in, we turn them in right side out like this. And here's the back of here's your finished chair cover. And it sits over top of the back of your chair. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's going to help you from just the pictures, but if you need more, slower instructions, go ahead and refer to the pictures. I hope this helps. Bye.